How's it going, y'all? I'm Bo Seriously from Shiraz Red. Let's go build something. So big game's coming up this weekend, and I'm gonna take this big hunk of cedar, I'm gonna cut it down, rip it down, do some Shosugi Ban, some epoxy, and make a really cool Buccaneer theme, because I'm a huge Buccaneers fan, Buccaneer themed bottle opener. I'm gonna add a magnet on the back and an opener on the front. Check it out. Perfect, 3/4 inch. Now let's go burn it. Notification bell, and like this video, and go check out some other videos. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you. So I got it all leveled out now, as you can see. I'm gonna be using this Total Boat penetrating epoxy with acetone, and the acetone just helps it soak deep into that wood and stabilize it a lot more, especially with the alligator. It's gonna hold all that chard in, so when I do a clear flood coat over the top of it, that black is not gonna soak into the clear coat, and it'll be crystal clear. So let's get going. so see how it turns out. It's fine. I had to add some red into the orange and a little bit more pigment, but I think it's actually the spot on color of their original uniforms. The red is almost really close to theirs, and then the white. Tampa Bay colors, baby. What's going on? So, this is done. I gotta clean this backside up. I'm cutting this edge down to expose the cedar on the edges all the way around it. And then I'm gonna drill the hole in the back and attach the bottle opener. Let's get going. That was a fail.
Was it supposed to come out?
you for watching.